this is the late post. I'm unboxing my Boxycharm by Ipsy from May 2024. It has 5 full-size products and a couple of add-ons. The first add-on is by Lash Step. It is 12 matte universal shades. I was looking to buy a palette which has black and white in it, and I'm extremely happy with this purchase. The next product is these 3 eyeshadow brushes by M.I.A. Love these and can't wait to use them. After that, I got this Bareminerals Veil with SPF in it. And then we have another add-on by Byroe. It's a Pumpkin Pro Retinol Cream. The packaging looks good. The formulation is beautiful. And the fragrance is amazing as well. Can't wait to use it, and I'll let you know later how it works. And then we have this double-ended complexion brush by Chica Beauty. It's nice product for traveling, especially you can just pack it and put it in your bag. Then we have this clear brow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We all know how good their products are. And after that, we got this travel size bitter green essence toner by Byroe. And this is also a nice travel pack. And then I have the hydration cream mask by AHAVA and Porefessional good cleanup foam cleanser by Benefit Cosmetics. So yeah, that's my May box by Ipsy.